I'm good, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
How do you travel to work?
I take the bus.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, it's an Italian restaurant.
Can you play a musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Can you help me with my homework?
Of course, I'd be happy to help.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm not busy at the moment.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What is your dream job?
I'd love to be a photographer.
Can I have a glass of water?
Certainly, here you are.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it at school.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
I like painting.
What is your favorite subject in school?
I like mathematics.
Do you have any weekend plans?
I'm going hiking.
What is your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 5 years.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I like jogging.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I love chocolate cake. Thank you for watching.